time. In the next few videos, we will be looking at building a document, putting the pieces together. In this case, we'll be looking at the anatomy of an instructional manual, and the things you learn in these trainings will be able to be applied to many different types of documents. We'll be looking at the structural elements of a document. We'll be looking at creating a cover page, adding headers, putting quotes and sidebars, adding graphics, creating a table of content, creating front matter, updating a table of contents, and some other things as we go along the way. So by the conclusion of this training, you'll understand how to quickly and easily put together the basic elements of a professional-looking document using the tools in Microsoft Word. The first thing we'll add to our document is a cover page, and the cover page is an important element. It is the first thing people see when they look at your document. And you can create your own cover page, and there are tools in Word that would allow you to do that from scratch. That would take maybe a significant amount of time. So for the sake of time, we can just insert the already pre-designed cover pages. And of course, we can go in there and we can add our own design elements if we so choose. But to insert a cover page into a document, we would go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and then we would go to the group called Pages, and you'll see on top it says Cover Page. And when we click on the drop down there, you will see we get a list of cover pages, and you'll notice that the cover pages have a special design to them, and they are also named. If you scroll down, you'll see there's several different names assigned to our cover page, and I'm going to choose this retrospect design, and I'm going to click on there, and you'll see that that will get added to our document. And it picked up some elements from my document and automatically inserted them that can of course be changed, and I'm just going to zoom down a little bit so we can see how that cover page looks. And so it's kind of a nice simple cover page. Now the next thing we want to do is we're going to go over on top of page 2 here, and we want to create a couple of extra pages for our table of contents. So we are going to insert 2 pages here, and the way we can do that is if we go to our Insert tab again, we can add a blank page for that purpose. So I'm going to click on Blank Page, and I add 1, and Blank Page again, and I'll add 2, and this will allow space for me to insert my table of contents. So that was our step 1. Step 1 was to insert a cover page, and we chose a kind of very simple yet somewhat elegant design for our cover page. Next, we will look at adding a header to our document, and we will also look at adding a quote and a sidebar. And we will see that we have quote, sidebar, and header that are assigned the same name, retrospect, and so that there is a consistency in look and format and a professionalness to our document. All right, so that will be our next video. We'll look at adding header information, a sidebar, and also a quote.